Alright, we got the Brinkmann charcoal grill out here today. Cooking some chicken and burgers. Gonna be pretty good. We got the State Fair chicken barbecue sauce here. Got that at Walmart. Over at Sam's we got the Stubbs and the Montreal steak seasoning for the burgers, and there's some of that Stubbs sauce. You can see we're up to about 500. We got Kingsford charcoal from Sam's, and got some hickory wood from my trees. So we're just doing a little chicken and burgers here. So they're looking pretty good, them burgers. Almost ready. Chicken's browning up nice. Just move some around here. Very hot. Very hot. It's going to be some really good chicken. I love chicken on the grill. I haven't tried this State Fair sauce yet, but I know it's the way they use sauces with the vinegar, a lot of vinegar, so all kinds of seasonings. So we'll see how it turns out. I think it's going to be really good. But there's what we're using. Oh, we got some nice sliced cheddar cheese from Sam's Club as well. Very good. Alright, barbecuing here. Shut the lid and get it really hot.